Hello everyone, I'm here with another tutorial today, and I've selected this one because I found it online, and I thought that it may be difficult for some people. Uh, the picture shows a few young people, out of which you can see. First of all, let's understand this picture, because you'll have to talk for 90 seconds, and 90 seconds mean that you need to speak at least 4 to 5 complex sentences. So first of all, there are some young people in a room, but just one person is visible, right? You can see coffee cup, a book, a laptop means this lady is a student. She's a beautiful young lady. If you appreciate it, it's great because you use extra adjectives, right? You can also talk a white young lady. Again, much better. And here, the rest of the people are in the background. So it is not quite obvious what exactly are they doing or which place is it. Now let's do it. The picture shows a few young people, out of which only a single young lady is visible. She's sitting on with her elbows on a table, and she has a coffee cup on her right side and a big book. She's a white and beautiful young lady, and she looks like a student because which is obvious from her laptop and her book. If we look at her face, it seems that she is quite perplexed, or she is stuck somewhere, or she is confused about something, or she's finding something very difficult because her fingers are on her temples of her skull. So, which shows that she is stuck somewhere, and she is continuously thinking and 100% focused on something. This is how you can do. If you need some extra marks or stuff like that, like you have a few extra minutes, then you should say she is wearing a white and gray dress, which looks quite informal. That's it, right? So this is how you can do it, right? I hope if you please pause the video now and practice it for once or twice, because it's going to help you. If you are unable to talk for at least 1 minute, then you should try once more, right? I'll keep on coming up with new videos and new stuff, and I hope it will be quite helpful to you. If you have a difficult photo that you cannot describe, you can actually send it to me in the comments. I'll try to make a video as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a nice day.